This tutorial guides you through managing roles and users effectively. You will learn how to create roles, assign permissions, and add users with appropriate access. To create a role, in the main menu, click first on Settings, then you click on Roles. To add a role, you click on Add New. Start by giving your role a name, and then choose to provide full access to this role or not. If you choose to grant permission-based access to this role, you click on Next. In the Permission step, you select the menus and then you select the permissions to assign to each menu. You have different menus that you can assign permissions to. Once you finish assigning permissions to the role, you click on Finish. Once your role is created, you can assign this role to any new user. To create a user, under Settings, you click on Users. To add a user, you click on Add New. To add a user, you provide the username, valid email, and select the campus you would like to assign this user to. You can click on all campuses or select specific ones. And then you select the newly created role. You can activate or turn off the option to send an invitation email to the user. The invitation contains a button to activate the account and the password to use to access the portal. Once you add the information, you can click on Finish to add the user. You have successfully created a role with specific permissions and added a user assigned to this role. This ensures proper access control and user management within the system.